Sometimes life feels too heavy, especially when everything comes at once.
Guys, take a look at this. What?
Until one moment, inspiration finds us. Not everyone can go, and that's okay. Sometimes, the best journeys begin with the ones who show up.
And just few hours away, a whole new world awaits. Calm air, cool weather, an adventure that wakes our spirit. Magetan has it all: the thrill, the peace, and the beauty we have been missing. And sometimes, the best people we meet are the ones we didn't plan on finding. In Magetan, they didn't just escape their stress, they found peace, adventure, and new friends.